When a person occupies your thoughts persistently, even in the absence of text or calls, it often reflects the depth of emotional connections or significance they hold in your life. Human relationships are complex, and the bonds we form with others can leave a lasting imprint on your minds and hearts. The reason why someone remains on your mind can vary widely, ranging from romantic attraction and deep friendship to unresolved conflicts or unspoken feelings. Perhaps this person possesses qualities or shared experiences that resonate with you on a profound level, promoting frequent reflections and memories. Additionally, the human brain tends to gravitate towards familiar faces and emotional connections, seeking comfort and validation in the presence of those we care about. Moreover, the absence of communication such as messages or calls can amplify the intensity of thoughts and emotions, leading to heightened awareness of their presence in your mind. Sometimes unresolved emotions or unfulfilled desire may contribute to persistent thoughts about a person, promoting introspection and contemplation about the nature of the relationship and your feelings towards them. Ultimately, the presence of someone in your thoughts, even without direct communication, highlights the depth of human connection and the profound impact individuals can have on each other's lives. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe.